Torrance. Ready for some sweet potatoes? What do you think?
Yeah, it's good, huh, buddy? It's not bad, Dad. That's not bad.
Not too bad.
It's not too bad. It's good, buddy. It's good. Sweet potato's good.
Yum.
Sweet potato is delicious.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, it's good. Ah. Ah. Ow.
What do you think about that? What do you think? What do you think?